Did you know that the average person has about 27 conversations every single day? That's like having a whole TV season of chats weekly. Yet so many English learners freeze when someone asks, "How was your day?" It's like being handed a microphone on stage with no script.
Learning to talk about your day is like building with Lego blocks. You start with simple pieces. I worked, I ate, I slept, and soon you're constructing amazing stories about your life. Every phrase you learn is a new block in your language castle. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on connection. Even the grandest skyscrapers began with a single brick.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to ChillTalk English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your day using easy, everyday phrases.
Just last week, my friend asked about my day, and I could only say fine because I didn't know how to describe what I actually did. I felt like I was missing out on sharing my life experiences.
That's so common, Henry. Talking about daily activities is something we do constantly, but it can be tricky in a new language. Today, we'll teach you practical phrases to describe your morning, work, meals, and evening routines naturally.
If you find this helpful, please like our video, share it with friends learning English, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
Scene 1. At home in the morning.
In our first scene, Henry and I will be at home in the morning. I'll play the role of husband Mark, and Emma will play wife Lisa.
Let's begin.
Good morning, Lisa. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mark. Yes, I slept very well. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up early. What time did you get up?
I got up at 7 a.m. I made coffee and started breakfast.
That smells good. What are we having for breakfast?
I'm making eggs and toast. Would you like some orange juice?
Yes, please. What's on your schedule for today?
I have a busy day. I need to go to the grocery store and then clean the house.
I can help with the cleaning tonight. What time do you need to leave?
I need to leave by 9 a.m. I have a doctor's appointment at 10.
Okay, I'll do the dishes after breakfast. What are your plans after the appointment?
I'm meeting Sarah for lunch at noon. Then I'll come home and work on my project.
Sounds like a full day. Don't forget we have dinner with your parents tonight.
Oh, I almost forgot. What time should we leave for the restaurant?
We should leave by 6 p.m. The restaurant is across town.
I'll be back by 5 p.m. then. That gives me time to get ready.
Perfect. I'll pick up some wine on my way home from work.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Great morning conversation. Now let's explain some key phrases.
First, did you sleep well? Is a common way to ask about someone's night. For example, did you sleep well? Or how did you sleep?
Next, what's on your schedule for today means asking about someone's plans. Like in our dialogue, what's on your schedule for today? You can also say, what are your plans today?
Another useful phrase is, I need to go to the grocery store. This means you must buy food. For example, I need to go to the grocery store, or I'm going to the grocery store later.
We also used, what time do you need to leave? This asks about departure time, like, what time do you need to leave? Or, when do you have to go?
Finally, sounds like a full day is a response to busy plans. For example, sounds like a full day, or you have a busy day ahead.
Now let's practice some of these phrases. Repeat after me. Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
What's on your schedule for today?
What's on your schedule for today?
I need to go to the grocery store.
I need to go to the grocery store.
What time do you need to leave?
What time do you need to leave?
Sounds like a full day.
Sounds like a full day.
I'm making eggs and toast.
I'm making eggs and toast.
Excellent. Now try using these phrases to talk about your own morning routine.
Scene 2. At work during lunch break.
For our second scene, Henry and I will be at work during lunch break. I'll play the role of coworker Anna, and Henry will play coworker Ben.
Let's begin. Hi, Ben. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty well. I had a productive morning. How about you?
It's been busy. I had back-to-back meetings until now. What did you work on this morning?
I finished the report for the Johnson project. It took longer than I expected.
I know what you mean. I'm still working on my presentation. Did you have lunch yet?
Not yet. I'm just heading to the cafeteria now. Would you like to join me?
I'd love to. I need a break from my desk. What are you having for lunch?
I think I'll get the sandwich special. What about you?
I brought my lunch today. I made pasta last night.
That sounds good. Do you have any plans after work?
I need to run some errands. I
I
have
have a
to pick
few
up my
errands
dry
too.
cleaning
I
and
need
go
to
to the
stop
bank.
by the post office.
The post office is near the bank. We could go together after work.
That's a good idea. What time do you finish today?
I should be done by 5 p.m. What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 5:15 p.m. We could meet at the entrance then.
Perfect. It's nice to have someone to run errands with.
Yes, it makes it more fun. Let's head to lunch now.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Henry, great work conversation. Now let's explain some key phrases.
Emma, first, how's your day going so far is a common way to ask about someone's day during work hours. For example, how's your day going so far? Or, how's your day been?
Next, I had back-to-back meetings means meetings one after another without breaks. Like in our dialogue, I had back-to-back meetings until now. You can also say, my schedule is full of back-to-back appointments.
Another useful phrase is, I finished the report. This means you completed a task. For example, I finished the report, or I finished my homework.
We also used run some errands. This means doing small tasks like shopping or going to the bank. Like, I need to run some errands, or I'm running errands this afternoon.
Finally, what time do you finish today asks about the end of the workday. For example, what time do you finish today? Or, when do you get off work?
Guided practice.
Emma, now let's practice these new phrases. Repeat after me. Emma, how's your day going so far?
How's your day going so far?
I had back-to-back meetings.
I had back-to-back meetings.
I finished the report.
I finished the report.
I need to run some errands.
I need to run some errands.
What time do you finish today?
What time do you finish today?
Would you like to join me?
Would you like to join me?
Great job. Now try using these phrases when talking about your workday.
Scene 3. At a cafe after work. Henry, for our third scene, Emma and I will be at a cafe after work. I'll play the role of friend Tom, and Emma will play friend Jenny.
Emma, let's begin.
Hey Jenny, how was your day?
Hi, Tom. It was long but good. I'm glad it's over. How about you?
My day was pretty busy too. I had a lot of meetings. What did you do today?
I spent most of the day in front of my computer. I had to finish a big project.
That sounds intense. Did you get it done?
Yes, I finally finished it this afternoon. I was so relieved. What about your meetings?
They were productive. We planned the new marketing campaign. What are your plans for the evening?
I'm going home to relax. I might watch a movie. What are you doing tonight?
I'm cooking dinner for my family tonight. I'm making spaghetti.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook often?
I cook a few times a week. I enjoy it. What do you usually do in the evenings?
I usually read or watch TV. Sometimes I go for a walk. What time do you usually eat dinner?
We usually eat around 7 p.m. What about you?
I eat around 6:30. I get hungry early after work. Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
I'm going hiking on Saturday. What about you?
I'm visiting my sister on Sunday. We're going to the farmer's market in the morning.
That sounds nice. Well, I should get going. I need to buy groceries for dinner.
Me too. It was great catching up. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Have a good evening.
You too.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Excellent after-work conversation. Now let's explain some key phrases.
Henry, first, how was your day is a simple, common greeting. For example, how was your day? Or, how did your day go?
Next, I spent most of the day in front of my computer describes where you were. Like in our dialogue, I spent most of the day in front of my computer. You can also say, I spent the day in meetings.
Another useful phrase is, I was so relieved. This means you felt happy because something difficult ended. Like, I was so relieved when I finished, or she was relieved to hear the good news.
We also used, what are your plans for the evening? This asks about after-work activities. Like, what are your plans for the evening? Or, what are you doing tonight?
Finally, it was great catching up. Means you enjoyed talking and learning about each other's news. For example, it was great catching up. Or, let's catch up soon.
Guided practice.
Henry, now let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. How was your day?
How was your day?
I spent most of the day in front of my computer.
I spent most of the day in front of my computer.
I was so relieved.
I was so relieved.
What are your plans for the evening?
What are your plans for the evening?
I'm going home to relax. Now
I'm
try
going
using
home to
these
relax.
phrases when talking with friends after work.
Scene 4. On the phone with family. For our final scene, Henry and I will be talking on the phone. I'll play the role of daughter Emily, and Henry will play Dad Robert.
Let's begin.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well. How are you, sweetheart?
I'm good. I just got home from work. How was your day?
It was quiet. I went to the grocery store in the morning and read a book in the afternoon. What about your day?
It was busy. I had a meeting with my boss and then worked on a new project.
That sounds important. Did everything go well with your boss?
Yes, it went fine. She gave me some good feedback. What did you have for lunch?
I made a sandwich. Nothing special. What about you? Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, I went to the new cafe near my office. The food was really good. What are you doing for dinner?
I'm just heating up some leftovers. What are your plans for dinner?
I'm too tired to cook. I'll probably order takeout. Did you watch anything interesting on TV today?
I watched a documentary about birds. It was fascinating. What did you do after work?
I stopped by the gym on my way home. I needed to exercise after sitting all day. Are you doing anything tomorrow?
I'm meeting my friend for coffee in the morning. What about your plans for tomorrow?
I have a busy day at work again. Then I'm going to the library in the evening. When should we talk next?
How about Sunday afternoon? I'll call you then.
That sounds perfect. I'll talk to you on Sunday. Love you, Dad.
Love you too, sweetheart. Take care of yourself.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
And wonderful phone conversation. Now let's explain some key phrases.
First, how was your day is the same simple greeting we learned earlier, but used with family. For example, how was your day? Or how did your day go?
Next, it was quiet describes a calm day. Like in our dialogue, it was quiet. You can also say, it was a slow day, or nothing much happened.
Another useful phrase is, I'm just heating up some leftovers. This means you're eating food from a previous meal. For example, I'm just heating up some leftovers, or we're having leftovers for dinner.
We also used I stopped by the gym. This means you visited a place briefly, like I stopped by the gym, or I stopped by the store on my way home.
Finally, when should we talk next is for planning future communication. For example, when should we talk next? Or when can I call you again?
Guided practice.
Now let's practice these final phrases. Repeat after me. Emma.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Henry. It was quiet.
Emma.
It was quiet.
Emma. I'm just heating up some leftovers.
Henry. I'm just heating up some leftovers.
Henry.
I stopped by the gym.
Emma. I stopped by the gym.
Emma. When should we talk next? Henry. When should we talk next?
Henry.
I'm too tired to cook.
Emma. I'm too tired to cook.
Excellent work. Now try using these phrases when talking with family on the phone.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far.
Emma, we've covered essential phrases for talking about your day in different situations.
Henry, we've learned morning phrases like, did you sleep well? And what's on your schedule for today?
Emma, we also practiced work conversations with, how's your day going so far? And I need to run some errands. Henry, and we learned after-work expressions like, how was your day? And what are your plans for the evening?
Emma, finally, we covered family phone phrases, including it was quiet and when should we talk next?
Henry, remember, these phrases will help you share your daily experiences in English.
Emma, in the next part, we'll give you a challenge to practice what you've learned.
Listener challenge.
Emma, now it's time for your challenge. We want you to write a sentence in the comments below about your day.
Henry, you could say something like, today I, or my day was, or in the evening I'm going to.
Emma, we'll read some of your answers in our next episode, so don't be shy. We can't wait to hear about your days.
Henry, to wrap up, Today, we learned easy phrases to talk about your daily activities in English.
Emma, we practiced in 4 different scenarios: at home in the morning, at work during lunch break, at a cafe after work, and on the phone with family.
Remember, talking about your day is a great way to connect with others and practice your English every day.
Thank you for joining us on ChillTalk English today.
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.